Hello, tech savvies. Today we're going to talk about best budget gaming and editing PC build under $25,000. Let's discuss the components that will be used to build our PC. The processor we will be using is Ryzen 3 3200G. It contains 4 cores and 4 threads clocked at 3.6 GHz. It supports DDR4 RAM. It comes with integrated graphics of AMD Radeon Vega 8 graphics. This processor is available on Amazon at around $6,500. Considering our budget, the motherboard we are going to use is Asus Prime A320. This motherboard contains 1 graphics card slot. It has dual channels for RAM up to 3200 MHz. It also supports NVMe M.2 SSD with data transfer speed up to 32 Gbps. It has USB 3.0 ports. It is available on Amazon at around $4,800. The RAM we are going to use is 2 8GB sticks of XPG DDR4D 60G RGB. It is available on Amazon at around $4,500. For storage, we are going to use Crucial 500GB NVMe M.2 SSD. It is available on Amazon at around $3,000. The power supply we are going to use is Ant Esports VS450L. It is available on Amazon at around $1,740. And finally, coming to the gaming cabinet. The cabinet we are going to use is Ant Esports ICE 112 mid-tower. It is available on Amazon at around $3,085. This PC build will cost you around 24,000 rupees. You can use Gigabyte B 450 motherboard if you wish to upgrade to Ryzen 5 in future. If your budget is less than 24,000 rupees, then you can use non-RGB RAM and buy cheap gaming cabinet. Buying links for such option for every component is given in the description. For benchmarks and performance of this PC, the video link is given in the description. Must watch that video so you will have an idea that how much this PC is capable of without graphics card. And that's it, folks. Your ultimate beast of a PC under 25K is ready. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more budget-friendly tech magic.